Let's dance. All my girls. Come on, come on. All my girls. Can you feel me?
我们现在刚刚从我们的住的地方出来，刚刚出来，我们准备要坐去Heidi的车里面，然后突然间他后面有一个车子，一下子就撞到他的车后面，很快，而且那些人是根本就不是在正常的开车，他们其实是在跟着其他的车在赛车，然后Heidi的车根本就没有动，坐在那边的，然后后面那个车一下子就撞进来，我们刚刚走出门就看到了，现在这个车子也不能动了，警察也来了，我们打电话给警察。So it's nothing we can do right now. It's a bit crazy right now. Literally just walked out.
We'll call you back in about 5 minutes.
The police is here right now, so we're gonna go sort this thing out.
Get it. Yo, man. Let's see what's going on. This is some crazy stuff, man. It's like we just got out of the apartment. If we'd have got in that car, like maybe if we'd have been 20 seconds, 30 seconds earlier, we would have been in that car just as that guy hit, and we would have been all fucked up because we would have been just getting in. These crazy guys are just driving around, man, racing each other, and they just went wham bam in the back of her, man. And poor Heidi, she's all messed up. So I don't know what to say, but. We were going to a meeting, I guess that's canceled now. Amen.
Hi, did you have
Guy who crashed the car right there.
Yeah, and he's trying to put the blame on someone else, and he's obviously racing around with some other cars. He's driving definitely over the limit, crashed into someone else's car, and trying to blame someone else. But you can't get with it. Just look at his car's completely mashed. If he was driving at normal speed, he would have noticed the car was parked and not just drive into it without thinking. If he wasn't racing that hard, how can he not notice me? 没有，他在这边停着，然后我们刚刚走出来，到他来接我，然后他的车里。对，他在车里面。对，停着车在这里。然后突然走出来，就咣的一声就听到声音。攞埋個保險嗰隻嚟。
I will meet you at the hospital.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yo, so we're at the hospital now, waiting for the ambulance to arrive. And they're giving us these very fashionable masks. But yeah, shit's... We're lucky, man. We're about to get in a car and I see this shit. I think I saved me, Stevie, and Rachel. Wish I could have saved Heidi, but because I was late. But yeah, they're still not here yet. I think that's them now. They're arriving. I is with Heidi. Hopefully she's feeling a little bit better. Because I think she's in shock and stuff.
Yeah. Over there.
Yeah, so now we're outside the hospital. 现在在那个急诊部外面 emergency service. That's where Heidi's at inside. 你知道吗？今天我们出来的时候，我们其实出来晚了一步，因为之前我们一直在等 concept， 然后谁知道，如果不是他的话，说不定我们那时候每一个人都在车上，然后被那个车子撞了，也说不定。然后到那时候的受伤的程度可能更深，因为刚才就只有海迪一个人坐在车前面，他到现在已经非常的还在惊吓当中，脖子也被扭伤了。如果我们全部都在车里的话，我们后面的人一定会受更大的伤害。真的有时候就不知道什么时候什么事情会发生，所以说我希望大家要珍惜生命，好好的过每一天。You know, you never know what's gonna happen tomorrow. You never know tomorrow, right? Like the song says. So you better live every day to the max and don't waste any more time.
Let's dance.
Okay, this is where the accident happened. As you can see, all the broken glasses and bits from the cars. I swear this road is where a lot of accidents happen. I suggest anyone drive past here, don't park your car here or don't stop here, because even if you're not causing any problems, people behind you, they will, cause problems and you just never.
It's the street of death!
No one's died. Don't say that. I mean, street of accidents, I would say. So be careful, seriously. Nowadays, when we get into a taxi, when we tell them to drop us off, we tell them to drop us off around the corner. We ain't gonna park here anymore, okay? We ain't gonna get taxi from here either, because you never know. Sometimes it's not you, it's other people, which you cannot avoid.
I'm never even going near that road. Oh my God!
Watch out! Don't park here! Don't park here! Oh, shit! That! Exactly what I'm talking about! Bloody hell, man. Serious. It's not really funny.
Don't be afraid, let your tears go by. Let them carry the pain you feel, let yourself go and cry. It don't make you less of a man or a baby. Understand, you laugh when you're happy, so cry when you're sad. We're all related when it comes to sorrow. We always think we're alone, wishing for tomorrow, but you're not. You got most of the world, eyes closed, on their knees, hands together, so tomorrow comes. I've been there before and thought I could oppress it all. At 11 couldn't show any weakness. Sadness trapped inside turns to darkness. Emotions turnless, exterior hardness. Soon you're heartless, you're parted from humanity. All alone, you're not far from insanity. If you let depression take over, where will it lead? You may never get to turn a new leaf.
Let's dance. All my girls. Come on, come on. All my girls.